In this session, let us learn about SSE. HTML SSE API server sent events one-way messaging. Server sent events SSE allows a web page to get updates from a server. A server sent event is when a web page automatically gets updated from a server. This was also possible before, but the web page would have to ask if any updates were available. With server sent events, the updates come automatically. Example: Facebook, Twitter updates, stock price updates, news feeds, sports results, etc. Receive server sent event notifications. The event source update is used to receive server sent event notifications. See the code. If you write and execute this code, the result returns is getting server updates. Example explain. Create a new event source object and specify the URL of the page sending the updates in the example demo sse.php. Each time an update is received, the onMessage event occurs. When an onMessage event occurs, put the received data into the element with ID result. Check server sent events support. In the try it example above, there were some extra lines of code to check browser support for server sent events. See, if typo event source exclamatory is equal undefined, close brackets and flower bracket, a server sent event support some code, else sorry, no server sent event support. Server side code example. For the example above, to work you need a server capable of sending data updates like PHP or ASP. The server side event stream syntax is simple. Set the content type header to text or event stream. Now you can start sending event streams. Code in PHP demo sse.php. See the example PHP code. Header, content type, text, event stream, header, catch, control, no catch. See responsive content type, responsive expires 1, responsive write, data the server time is unnow, response flush. See code explain. Set the content type header to text event stream. Specify that the page should not catch. Output the data to send. Always start with data. Flush the output data back to the web page. The event source object. In the examples above, we use the onMessage event to get message, but other events are also available. See the events in description. On open, when a connection to the server is opened. On message, when a message is received. On error, when the error occurs. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 71 SSE. In next video, let us learn about another topic, HTML tag lists. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.